Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss. We'll be diving into Google's SafeSearch feature, which helps you manage explicit content in your search results. Whether you are at work, with children, or simply prefer a cleaner online experience, SafeSearch has got you covered. So let's get started. To begin, let's understand what SafeSearch is. Google SafeSearch is a built-in filter that, when enabled, helps you prevent explicit content from appearing in your search results. This includes contents like nudity, graphic, sex acts, sexually explicit materials, violence, and gore. Enabling SafeSearch is easy. You can do it on your computer or mobile device. Here's how. On your computer, just open web browser and go to Google homepage like google.com. So open Google homepage, click on settings, which is on right bottom corner, and click on search settings. Now select SafeSearch. Now under the SafeSearch we can see three options. Let me explain you what these three options do. To block any detected explicit content, select filter. This is a default setting when Google system indicate that you may be under 18. And explain about a blur. To blur explicit images, select blur. This is the default setting. If the above does not apply, this setting helps blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show if they are relevant to your search. And if search is off, if SafeSearch is off, you will find relevant results for your search even if they are explicit. And I need to share you some more information, like if you can't change your SafeSearch setting, it's because it's controlled by your account device or network administrator. For example, if you are a children, for child and student accounts, parents and schools can lock SafeSearch filter to make your environment more secure. And in public networks, public Wi-Fi networks like airport or library can also lock SafeSearch in filter. And parental controls on your operating system and antivirus software may override your individual SafeSearch settings. If you are associated with K-12 institution, you need to request your administrator to enable or disable those options. A quick guide on using SafeSearch in Google to manage explicit content in your search results, whether it's for safe work environment, child-friendly, or simply a preference for cleaner results. SafeSearch is a valuable tool. Don't forget to enable it and adjust the settings to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.